I'm going to show you now a few ways that you can set defaults within the Microsoft Project 2007, just to give you an idea of how you can set up some look and feel that are more appropriate to the way you'd like to work with the application. So I've opened up the Project Office exercise file. Now, what you want to do is take a look at the Tools and Options dialog box first to set the overall defaults that you want to have within the application. You can work with your interface, changing some of the choices here. You can set up your schedule. When are you going to be scheduling assignments? What are the kinds of defaults that you want to have when you are creating your tasks? What are the calculation defaults that you want to work with? So really, this Options tab and dialog box is really where you go and set all of the defaults for all of the projects that you're working with, and it will pull those defaults in as you create brand new projects. You can also take a look at the defaults that you want to work with in terms of the toolbars that you have visible. We've been playing around a lot looking at different toolbars, and you'll be very familiar with how the toolbars work, what icons you want to see. Right now I have a lot of clutter up at the top. So if I wanted to clean that up a little bit, I simply go up to the top of my screen, right-click, and I can remove some of the toolbars that I'm not looking at any longer. So if I go down and remove each of those so I just have my standard one, I now see more of my project plan below, and I have the tools that I need up top. You can also customize these toolbars by identifying the ones that you want to see, as well as what commands you see on those, so that you can really get this to be as powerful as you want it to be, so that the smart icons that you're needing are available in your toolbars. Another thing that you can work with is the visual area here. I'm not crazy about this black and blue, so let me just see what other options I have. If I go to my Format menu and I go to my Font, I can play around with the different font styles that I have available and tweak that somewhat. I can also change the bar style. So if I don't want blue, but I want maybe a pattern, I can place that on the bars that I'm working with here. As well, I can go down to bar styles and change all of the different bars that I'm working with. If I wanted to change the color from blue to, let's say, fuchsia, this is going to be nice and bright, and click OK, I get a nice visual placed in my screen. So you can see that there's lots of defaults that you can play with, and the defaults that you set when you save your application are the ones that come back when that project is reopened.